Christina Rica P. Facun for the role of Gabriela in the story of Finish my drink. Would you like to buy me another? So, Jack, do you have a wife you're hiding back? What I need is a great gal like you. I was born in Spain. It is right, I had, but he died. Not really. I don't meet many people. I can tell. I thought you weren't married. I love to. Jack, I have a confession to make. I've been following you. It wasn't by chance we met tonight. I thought you might be there, and I had to see you. Now that we're here, I can hardly wait. You don't mind, do you? I like it rough. I was getting in the mood. We can stop if you like. You can judge by a book by its cover. For instance, by looking at you, I will never guess that you like to be a Katie a real mess. And you nearly killed your first wife. You sick bastards. Then there was Susie, Diana, and Alicia. You're a real piece of work, Jack. Physically, I find you unattractive, but inside, you're truly repulsive. I've been following you from afar ever since I saw the court proceedings when you pleaded no contest to beating your wife. God only knows why she still lives with you. Since the court system did not provide justice, I will. I have contacts in the police force, and through them I saw the cards of your father's wife. It looked like she had been run over by Mack truck. You tore her left retina, separated her shoulder, broke her jaw, and knocked out her neck. As if that wasn't bad enough, you ripped most of her hair out of her scalp. You 50 a look deeper into your background. At the time of your separation from your ex-wife, she had cigarette burns throughout her body. At the divorce proceedings, she said that if she did not leave, you'd kill her. End of the story as the role of Gabriela. Thank you and God bless.